A lot of people believe that creating a whitening cream, you need to use over-the-counter products. But in this video, I'm going to prove them otherwise, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own skin whitening cream that can give you up to 4, 5, 6 shades lighter within 1 month using natural base and natural concentrates and ingredients. If you like to see how you can create your own whitening cream, then definitely keep on watching. Hey fellow skin gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is CLIK and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist, and I create weekly videos on skincare DIY, product reviews, beauty, and so many other things that we're going to be adding. So if any of this is something that you're interested in, do hit the subscribe button down below to join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi best friend, thank you so much for coming back. On today's video, I am going to be making an extreme skin whitening body cream, and we're going to be using the base that we made a few days ago. I'm going to leave a link here for you guys to watch that video if you haven't seen it already. And without any further ado, let's get started. So first, you want to have your beakers cleaned out and ready to be used, like I have shown you here. And right now I am adding my base. Like I said, this is the base that we made a few days ago. The link is down in the description bar. You can click that to watch this video after this one. If you have been following me from the very beginning, you will know that I don't like to pro mix using over-the-counter serums and mixing different creams and all of that together. I just don't subscribe to it. So over time, I have taken out my time, energy, resources to research and find out ways that I can create the same result that my customers are looking for, but make it safer for them to use. So with that, I have trainings, I have courses that will teach you how you can create your own base cream that will give you a whitening result and all of that. If you want more information, definitely send us a WhatsApp message and we'll get that to you. Okay, so here I am pouring in my solution. Like I said earlier, if you were in our corrective base class, you will know how to make this solution. I have made the solution. It is also available for sale. So if you're looking to get a whitening effect that gives you up to 3 shades lighter and helps to clear out hyperpigmentation, sunspots, freckles and age spots and all of that, every kind of discoloration, whether it's hyperpigmentation, hypopigmentation, these products will help you. If you're interested in buying this product, you can send me a WhatsApp message and we will get you this concentrate. Now this concentrate has been made into different kinds. We have different ones. This one I'm using is just the plain one that is used to just lighten the skin and help with some sort of discoloration. Now I am adding that into my my base cream to give me that beautiful lotion effect. For the solution, I am using about 20% of the final or total weight of my product that I'm making, which is why you see that it is kind of a lot, but it's fine. It depends on the result that you want to use. So when you want to purchase this product, we will also put the percentage that you're supposed to use, but you can use up to 20 or 25% depending on the result that you're looking for. Now, because this cream or this base is really thick, I don't really have any issues with using a lot of liquids, which is why I said in the beginning that I like to make my base creams very thick so I can comfortably use my liquid concentrates. Now, going further, I am using alpha arbutin, which is also called hydroquinone BD glucoperoxide. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. This ingredient is a naturally occurring antioxidant, and it's also a skin brightener that is naturally found in bearberry plants. Now, incorporating this product with the concentrate that I put in the formulation earlier will give you a beautiful pale complexion. and I'm going to dissolve that in water. Now remember that because this product or the base that I used is thick, I don't have issues with adding fluids to the product. This will help give me a better consistency, especially if I'm making a lotion, which this product is actually a lotion that I'm going to put in a pump bottle. Okay, now if you are looking out to get a thicker consistency for your finished product, you definitely want to reduce the amount of liquids that you're adding in. So in that case, if you're going to be buying the concentrate from us, let us know if you're making a cream or a liquid or a milk consistency product, so that we know exactly which of the products we are going to give to you. Now furthermore, I am going to be adding glutathione into the beaker as well. Glutathione is an antioxidant that can help with lightening of the skin, which can, also lighten dark spots, pigmentations, and it also can help with wrinkles and basically just give you an even skin. With also helps with the elasticity of your skin. So it's basically an antioxidant that I love to use in my formulas. I'm also going to be using Sepia White MSH, which is an excellent skin lightener, and it is suitable for all skin types, and it is suitable for all ethnicities, and it can promote a more uniform and radiant complexion. To dissolve my Sepia White, I am using aloe vera oil. Dissolving your Sepia White, you want to use white oils that don't have tints in them. I tend to see that this product dissolves beautifully into them, but even if you don't have aloe vera oil, you can use any other oil like rosehip oil or carrot oil or any of that. Now you want to go ahead and put that on the stove to dissolve. While that is dissolving, we're adding our alpha arbutin and our glutathione into our beaker. All the ingredients and their measurements will be put in the description box, so don't worry about that. Our Sepia White MSH has dissolved beautifully. As you can see, it is clear, totally clear, and that's how you want your Sepia White MSH to dissolve. Here you can see it's beautiful. Go ahead and add that into your beaker and begin to mix that together. You can go ahead and use your hand blender to gently mix everything thoroughly, so you have an even smooth product. Now if you notice, I haven't used any kind of serum from over the counter. I have only showed you a concentrate that we used first, which is something that we have made from scratch by ourselves. Okay, so here, this is my water again. I'm going to go ahead and add my niacinamide into the water. Remember, you're going to share your water to dissolve all the powders that you need to dissolve with water. So the water percentage will be divided into different portions to be able to use that to dissolve all your water soluble ingredients. So go ahead and add your niacinamide into the beaker. I love to use niacinamide in my formulas because it helps to build cell while also protect them from environmental stress such as sunlight, pollution, and toxins. And niacinamide can also treat acne. It can help with severe acne. It can help with inflammations like papules and pustules. And over time, you may also see an improvement in the texture of your skin. So if you notice, I like to use niacinamide in my formula. So you're going to go ahead and add that into your water. Now you will notice that I shared my water. When I measured it, I shared it into another beaker. I was supposed to use the other beaker to dissolve my licorice, which is what I'm adding right now, but I totally forgot and added it in the same beaker that I added my niacinamide, which is totally fine. You can just go ahead and pour the other part of the water that you have measured out into your formula so that your recipe is complete. So that is exactly what I did. I just wanted to point that out so you don't get confused as to why I didn't use that water. I totally forgot and went ahead to add my niacinamide, my licorice into my niacinamide mixture, which is okay. You can also do that. So instead of measuring or pouring out your water, you can just use the same water to dissolve both ingredients. It's fine. So I went ahead to use niacinamide as well, and this is what we have. Now I'm going to go ahead and give that a beautiful blend just to make sure that everything that I have added is totally and thoroughly mixed, so that we have a smooth consistency. Now remember, I said I was trying to make a lotion consistency, so that is why my product looks this way. But over time, by the next morning, it becomes thicker than it looks right now, so you don't have anything to worry about. Now let me point something out. The concentrate that was used first in the beginning is called our porcelain regular concentrate. That concentrate can be used with other active ingredients like your niacinamide and all of that, while the premium can be used straight into your product without any other active, if that makes sense. Now if you have watched up to this extent and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please pause this video, take your time to subscribe down below, clicking the red button below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time a new video is up. If you like to support this channel, please click the join button down below to have access to exclusive videos for a little token as little as $3 a month. You have access to 1 free videos, exclusive videos every month, and some other little perks that comes with that. So you want to go ahead and blend until you are comfortable, but remember, you don't want to over blend. When I mean over blend, you don't want to continuously blend your product, otherwise you might have separation. So you want to blend a bit, whisk a bit, blend again, just like that, giving it little short burst just to make sure everything that you have added is well dispersed. As you can see, my cream has some tiny particles. Those are the Goa gum from the base that I made. Now this base I made in a hurry, and because I was traveling and I didn't leave the Goa gum to dissolve properly, but over time, over about 2-3 days, everything dissolved beautifully into the cream. Go ahead, add your preservative, add your extract, essential oils, and don't forget to check the pH of your cream. This cream I am making for my mom, so I just went ahead to store it in this container. I made a 1 kg batch, or a 1 kg size, so I gave my mom 500 ml and I kept 500 ml for myself. Like I told you, I use my products, so you have nothing to worry about. This cream is so beautiful and is safe to use. It doesn't give you any form of issues at all. If you would like to buy the concentrate that I used in the beginning, kindly send a WhatsApp message. We also have the porcelain one, which is the complete one. With that, you don't need to add any, or rather you can decide not to add any more actives like the alpha arbutin or the glutathione or any of the actives. You can just go ahead to pour that particular one into your base cream and use it, and you still have great result. We have made these things very easy for you. With this, I hope I've been able to show you that you can actually create whitening products using your natural base and natural ingredients. You don't have to add different tubes and different serums over the counter that you don't have any idea of what the ingredients are. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I guess, yes, I know I will see you in my next video. Bye.